I don't know.
Well, you know. What do you do to an animal?
You skin it.
When you kill it and you keep it?
You
Starts with a T or something.
stuff it.
Stuff it.
Taxidermy.
Yeah, taxidermy fucking vagina. Hey, you my clothes.
Taxidermy vaginas. Wow. Are you sure you're not on drugs?
Nope. You should see me on drugs.
I should sip you on drugs.
Yeah, because I turned into a drink. Oh, God.
You said it, not me.
You sit back and sip me in a cup. Pretty tasty. Smell my Kyle.
Oh, I felt my Kyle. Oh, God. Oh, if my mother could only see me now.
I'll take a picture and send it to her.
She'd send me to confession. I'm doing one better. I'm taking a video, but there's not going to be any video because it's dark, so it's just going to be audio.
Yeah, guys.
And it's going on Facebook. This is Kyle talking about vagina closets. I'm turning into sippy cups. There are people trying to sleep.
Yeah, I got one of them.